Hi folks, I'm Bill J. I'm here at Hernando Beach Marina, and what I'm here to talk about is a fantastic event that we have every year, and it's our annual cardboard boat race, which supports the Children's Advocacy Center here in Hernando County. Now, what we have going out here is where we run our races. People make a cardboard boat out of, obviously, cardboard, tape, paint, and they paddle and make their way around a course. Now, after that, we also have a demolition derby, whereby all the boats go in the water and they try to knock each other out. So, one of the things we also do is have a silent auction, and we raise money from the silent auction. So on October 5th, we will run this race. Got great food, good times, people have a lot of fun, and you get to see who and why people join us for this day. And we got some great sponsors. Besides Florida Adventure Coast, which is part of Hernando County, we also have A to Z Tree Service amongst our main sponsors, and Ackley Dental Group.